Hello everyone, I'm Nancy Ogbebor and you are welcome to my kitchen. Today let me show you how to make this easy sandwich recipe, and this was so good. So please keep watching. And in my bowl I have my chicken washed and diced to size. And in here I have my chicken seasoning, salt, Cameroon pepper, curry powder, garlic powder, and ginger powder. So we'll be mixing all this together to marinate our chicken. So I'll be mixing this all together to combine. And I'll be adding in my ketchup to this and 1 egg. So we'll give this a quick stir and we'll set this aside to marinate for about 30 minutes. And here I'll be coating my chicken with flour before frying. Okay, so here is all coated already and my vegetable oil is on the heat now. I just tested it if it was hot, and I'm frying my chicken. So we'll be frying this till it's all brown. And don't overcrowd it so that you not reduce the temperature of the vegetable oil. And this is done. So here I have my bread and I toasted it in my frying pan. Let it be brown. You can actually leave it like that and use it that way. Okay, I'll be adding my mayonnaise to this now, just to coat it all around. And this other one I'll be coating it with my ketchup. And this recipe is a quick one that you can do from the comfort of your home. So here I'll be adding in my diced tomatoes, and this is for garnishing. So I'll be adding in my cabbage. So you garnish this to your liking. So I'll be adding in my diced onion. Just arrange it to your taste. And here is my fried chicken. And my fried egg. And look at how simple this is. This was so yummy. I hope you will try it. Please, if you have watched till this time and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, hit the notification button to get notified whenever I upload new video, and drop a comment at the comment section for me. See you in my next one. Bye.